Now next is exercise 9.5. In this chapter, most of the question is related to identity. So write exercise 9.5 in your notes. Then write the side heading identity and write these four identities. Learn and write the identity, children. A plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square. X plus a into x plus b equal x square plus a plus b x plus ab. This is in your textbook. After last page of the textbook, means page number is 152 in my textbook. 11th, what have we discussed in that 11th one? 3 identities given, write the 4th also. So next question is related to by using these identity we have to solve the sum. Now exercise 9.4, exercise 9.5. First main, use a suitable identity to get each of the following product. First question in that, x plus 3 into x plus 3. So this is binomial, with the help of binomial, multiplication of binomial, we can multiply first term with second group and second term with second group. But here specially mention that use a suitable identity. Identity means formula. Here specially mentioned use a suitable identity. So with the any formula we have to solve. X plus 3 both are same variable and same number. X plus 3 means we can write x plus 3 whole square. We can write x plus 3 whole square. Numbers are same, variables are same and symbols are same. Same symbol, same number means we can whole square. X plus 3 into x plus 3 is x plus 3 whole square. So in which identity we can try? Yes, this identity, a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we are using which identity? A plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. This identity we are using here. Now a square, a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square, because the x plus 3 whole square look like a plus b whole square. So we are using this identity. So solve the problem, children. X plus 3 we have to solve. X plus 3 whole square we have to solve. Now a square means in the place of a we have to write x. In the place of b we have to write 3. So first value is a value, second term is b. It means x is a value, 3 is b value. X is a value, 3 is b value. Now we have to solve the sum. A square means in the place of a we have to write x square plus 2ab means 2 into a into b means this is a value, second term is b value. 2ab into x into 3 plus. So here formula is b square. B square means we have to write 3 square because 3 is a b value. A in the place of a x we have to write, in the place of b 3 we have to write. So a square means we have to write x square. 2ab means we have 2 into x into 3 plus b square means 3 square equal x square plus 2 into x into 3. So first multiply the number. 2 3 is a 6 and x. 2 3 is a 6 and x plus 3 square means multiplying 3 in 2 times. 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9. This is the answer. Second question in that 2y plus 5. 2y plus 5. Same binomial. Here same numbers and same letters. 2y plus symbol y 5 here also 5. So by using identity solve the following product. So by using a suitable identity to get each of the following product. By using identity we have to product means multiply. So 2y plus 5 we can write 2y plus 5 in 2 times. Instead of writing 2 times we can make it square. Now it look like which formula? It look like a plus b whole square formula. So it means here we can apply a plus b whole square. So here plus symbol. If your minus symbol means we have to use a minus b whole square formula. What is identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now write the question here. Which one? Write this here. 2y plus 5 whole square. This we have to solve. 2y plus 5 whole square. It means, so here a value, 2y is a value and this is b value. Okay, this is a value here, this is b value. So in the place of a we have to write 2y, in the place of b we have to write 5. So solve the equation. Now a square means what we have to write? 2y, not a square, whole square, plus, here plus symbol, 2ab. So 2 into a means which one we have to write? 2y. A over b we have to write. So into together. So into symbol. B means which we have to write? 5. And here plus symbol. So we have to write plus symbol. B square means again we have to write 5 square. We are using this identity and solving sum. So okay, 2i plus 5 whole square. Same we written here. A square means in the place of a we have to write 2y. In the place of b we have to write 5. So a square means we have to write 2y square plus 2 into a means we have to write 2y. So a over b we have to write. So into b means we have to write 5 plus b square means which is a b here now, 5. 5 square. Now solve here. 2y square means what? 2 into 2, 2y into 2y means 2y into 2y. So first multiply the number. 2 into 2 is 4, y into y is y square, plus now we have to multiply this. 2 into 2 into 5. First multiply the number. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20y. Okay, then plus symbol. 5 square means what? Multiplying 5 in 2 times. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 5 5s are 25. So this is your answer. Now this is my own example. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. So 6 plus 7 we are writing in 2 times. So instead of writing 6 plus 7 2 times, we can write 6x plus 7. 6x plus 7. 6x plus 7. Instead of writing 2 times, we can make it square. 6x plus 7. Now, it look like which formula? It look like a plus b whole square formula. If minus symbol means we have to write a minus b whole square. What is our identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula all for a plus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square. A square minus b square you add in 7th standard children. Now, same formula we have to apply here. Which one? 6x plus 7 whole square. Same we have to write here. Now, so it means in the place of a we have to write 6x. In the place of b we have to write 7. In the place of a we have to write 6. In the place of b we have to write 7. So a square. So which one we have to write? 6x whole square plus 2 into AB. So AB means into, okay, together. A means which one we have to write? 6x into. B means which one we have to write? 7. Yes. Plus B square means which one? B. 7 here. 7 square. Now 6x whole square. 6x whole square means 6x into 6x. Multiplying 2 times. So 6 are 36. X into x is x square plus 2 into 6x into 7. Now 2 6 are 12. 12 7s are 84x. Plus symbol. So this one is completed. 2 6 are 12. 12 7s are 84x. 7 square. 7 square means what? 7 into 7 means multiplying 7 in 2 times. 7 7s are 49. This is the answer and this is identity we used. This is example sum. Fourth question, 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2 we have to multiply. So same numbers, same symbol, same numbers, fraction also. So here it means it look like a minus b whole square. So or instead of writing 2 times, we can write 1 time. 3a minus 1 by 2, because same number, same symbol, similar time. Instead of writing 2 times, we can write square. Okay. Now this one look like a minus b whole square. Okay, a minus b. First term is a, second term is b. So what is the identity? A minus b equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. And what is this? Identity. Identity we used here. Okay. See, similar, same one, right? Instead of writing 2 times, we can make it square, and here we can use this identity. And write this one, see here only, 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square equal. So it means now we have to, a means a value is 3a. So instead of, in the place of a, we have to write 3a, and b value is 1 by 2. B value is 1 by 2. So in the place of a, we have to write 3a. In the place of b, we have to write 1 by 2. Now a square. A square means which number we have to write? Yes, 3a whole square. A value is 3a whole square. So a minus symbol, write minus symbol. Next 2 together means into, 2 into a into b. No symbol. So 2 into a means again 3a, a over, so no, into b. B means 1 by 2. Plus symbol here. What is b square? B square, b value is 1 by 2 whole square. Whole square. Okay. Now simplify again. 3a square. It means 3a into 3a, multiplying 3a in 2 times. 3 into 3 is 9. A into a is a square. Now we are removing bracket. Minus. Any cancellation we can? Yeah. Numerator, denominator. We can cancel numerator, denominator. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. But we can't cancel numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. Okay. If we are reducing value means we have to cancel from up and down. Means numerator, denominator we can cancel. 3a into 1 is 3a plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. Means multiplying 1 by 2 2 times. 1 by 2 into 1 whole square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Multiplying 2 times. So answer is 1 by 4. This is your answer. 9a square minus 3a plus 1 by